This was supposed to be an episode about OpenAI's O3 model, the one that taught an entire generation of ChatGPT users what a reasoning model even was. Then we checked the facts before writing a single line, like we always do, and found out O3 is being switched off. Not eventually, this month. If you built a workflow around it, that workflow is about to break, and most people using it have no idea. O3 mattered because it thought before it answered. Instead of guessing the next word, it worked through math, code, and science problems in multiple internal steps, checking itself along the way. For about a year and a half, if you wanted OpenAI's best reasoning, O3 or its pricier sibling O3 Pro was the model you reached for. That era is now closing, on a hard deadline. Here's the actual timeline. OpenAI pulls O3 out of ChatGPT entirely on August 26th, about 2 weeks from when this video went up. The O3 and O3 Pro API access shuts down for good on December 11th. Its cheaper cousin, O4 Mini, dies even sooner, October 23rd. OpenAI's own migration guide points everyone toward one replacement. That replacement isn't another numbered model, it's a completely different structure. On July 9th, OpenAI launched the GPT 5.6 family, Sol, Terra, and Luna. Instead of a separate reasoning model bolted onto a separate chat model, reasoning is now just a setting inside one model line. You don't switch models to think harder. You turn a dial. That dial is called reasoning effort, and it has 6 positions: none, low, medium, high, X-high, and max. Medium is the default, tuned to balance quality and speed for most work. Crank it to max and you get roughly what O3 Pro used to deliver: deep, slow, expensive reasoning on the hardest problems. Drop it to none and you get a fast, cheap model with no thinking step at all. Sol, Terra, and Luna are really just 3 price and power tiers sharing that same dial. Sol, the flagship, runs $5 in and $30 out per million tokens. Terra sits at $2 and $12. Luna, the cheap high-volume option, is 20 cents in and about $1.20 out. All 3 share roughly the same enormous context window, over 900,000 tokens of input. Pick the tier for your budget, then pick the effort for the problem. Here's the part nobody puts on the pricing page in big letters. That internal thinking the model does before answering, the reasoning tokens, get billed at the full output rate, even though you never see them in the response. Push the effort dial up on a hard problem, and your bill can multiply several times over compared to what the visible answer would suggest. Always check the token usage breakdown, not just the sticker price. So here's the practical version. For quick chat and simple lookups, Luna on low or none. For most day-to-day work, writing, everyday coding, analysis, Terra on medium is the sweet spot. For the genuinely hard stuff, the problems that used to justify O3 Pro's price tag, that's Sol on high or max and only then. My honest opinion, this is a better system. The old lineup, O1, O3, O4 Mini, alongside separate GPT models, was genuinely confusing, and picking the right one felt like guesswork. A single dial you can reason about is real progress. But collapsing reasoning into an invisible setting also makes it easier to blow through a budget without noticing, because there's no separate line item warning you a model got expensive. The bigger lesson here goes past OpenAI. Reasoning stopped being a separate product and became a feature every serious model now ships with. If you're still choosing your AI tool by model name alone, you're already behind. The real decision is which effort level a task actually needs, and checking that before you hit send, not after the invoice arrives. That's today's lesson. New AI story every day. Follow and subscribe so you don't miss what's next.